In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to log a breakdown or book a service using the new Masslift Africa service app. Once you log in, you'll be presented with these four options: track open callouts, book a service, log a breakdown, or contact Masslift. So the first one, logging a breakdown, just click on the button, log a breakdown. This will ask you to select your forklift. If you've got many you can search, we're just going to select the first one as an example. Your first question here will ask you, what are the current hours on this forklift? So we'll just enter in 500. Then it'll ask you to please check the boxes that apply to this breakdown. So if you know that you've got an engine oil leak, you can select that, or the engine smoking, you can select that. You don't have to select anything here. When you're ready, click continue. Here you've got options to either take a photo or open your phone's gallery and upload a photo. And below that, include an optional message. All of this is optional. You don't have to do it. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're not going to attach a photo, so we'll just say log breakdown. Finally, here you just need to confirm that the details are correct. A side note, if the details are correct, just click book. Only check these boxes if the details are wrong. So that's the forklift location, and below that will be your contact details. So if that's wrong, it'll notify Masslift Africa that your details are wrong on their system. But if everything looks okay, click book. Then you'll get confirmation that this breakdown has successfully been booked. Yeah, you can do one of two things. You can click on track, or you can click the little X to go and close it. If we click on track, it takes us directly to that job where we can see the tracking history. It's right now sitting in new, today's date, and the time right now. But I'm just going to go back because I want to show you how to book a service. We'll go into the tracking the callouts now. Booking a service, click on book a service. Again, choose your forklift. Enter your forklift hours, 500. Now select 3 preferred dates for your service. So we're going to say tomorrow the 6th because this is urgent. And then our second preferred date will be the 7th. And our third preferred date will be next week, Monday the 10th. Then we'll say continue. Again, yeah, confirm the details. Everything looks correct. So I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to say book. There you get a confirmation that your service request has been booked. So now if we click on track open callouts over here, we'll see 3 tabs at the top: open, closed, and not rated. Open are all of the jobs, all of the breakdowns or services, jobs that you've booked that are currently in progress. Once a job is completed, it'll sit under closed, so you'll see your completed jobs. And your third tab, not rated, are the completed jobs that you must still give a rating out of 5. So if, for example, we go into a closed job and we click on it, you'll see the entire tracking history of that job. If we go into a new job that was booked here, you'll only see whatever's been done. To give a job a rating, click on not rated, click on it, then give it a rating. If it's a rating of 4 or 5, you can just give it a rating. If it's 1 to 3 out of 5, we just want to know from you what went wrong with this job for you to give it a rating out of 3 out of 5. Then you can just leave an optional message here. For the purpose of this breakdown, we're going to give it a 5 because we were happy, and we'll say save, and that's been saved. So if we go back to track open callouts now, there's nothing in not rated. We've got 2 in closed, and we've got 3 that are currently open. To contact Masslift Africa, you'll just click on this button here, and that will just open up your phone, which will then just dial the main office so that you can speak to a representative. We hope you find the information easy to understand. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Masslift Africa today so that we can help you log breakdowns and book your services easier than ever before.